Hi, ecochateas here on the ground in Taiwan, sourcing the best selections of Taiwan tea that we can find on a seasonal basis. Today we're looking at last winter's harvest and this early spring harvest of Luo Chun green tea. I just brewed 5 grams of tea and 150 milliliters of water at close to 85 degrees Celsius. First for 30 seconds and then for 45 seconds. So we're going to have a look at what these teas, what they look like and what they taste like side by side. And first of all, what they smell like. Really nice. Foresty, kind of a deeper green. Some floral, but also savory notes in there. Much more delicate baby green lettuce kind of, or garden fresh kind of aroma coming off these leaves that were just picked within the last couple of weeks. We went and picked up this batch just exactly a week ago, actually. Okay, let's have a taste. Sweet. Wasn't expecting that. Wow, really nice. It's a rare occasion that I personally brew tea so lightly. I typically go a higher ratio of leaves to water and for longer amounts of time, and I sometimes don't bother to cool down the water first, but I did my best to follow recommended standards here. Let's try the 45 second brew. Definitely more substantial, much more smoothness in the mouthfeel, more of something akin to matcha flavor, Japanese green tea. A lot going on in the nose now, very heady, full, balanced aroma in the finish. I'm gonna go one more. Really interesting to taste it so lightly brewed. It's a lot of sweetness and floralness, and there's not very much green grassiness at all. It really, so I guess I brewed it quickly enough to just catch the more aromatic notes. Even the aftertaste is mostly sweet and floral. Really interesting, especially compared to just a few minutes later brewing it at for 45 seconds interval. Yeah, much more of a full flavored tea kind of character with a little bit of that bitter astringency coming through at the end to kind of clean the palate. Use the same spoon here, rinse it a bit. Go with the early spring harvest here. More full flavored than the winter tea, more green vegetal character. Seems like these tender leaves that were just picked, of course they were fully dried, but there's still a freshness factor there. Seem to brew a little more readily. The water, the soup is quite sweet still, very satisfying. Savoriness in the nose. Yeah, it's definitely got, it's fresher, straight up. A lot in the finish, very full and yeah, full-bodied finish there. Let's go to the second 45 second brew. Again, smoother on the palate, more of the green tea character, standard green tea aspect. But the finish is similar, much more complex and full. I love the kind of the sweet floral combined with that slight savoriness. It's very satisfying on the palate. I'm gonna go side to side here, second brew, winter. It's definitely got There's more substance in the winter tea. Oops. Cleaner, more delicate, more pure in its character. Interesting. So we have winter 2019 and early spring 2020 Luo Chun green tea from Sanxia. We're really gaining an appreciation for this tea that we just started sharing, sourcing and sharing last year. We started with spring harvest of last year. It's a delicious tea. We've been biased to oolong, we admit it, and now we're excited that we really like green tea. Thanks to the farmers, thanks to the tea makers, and thanks to you for listening. We encourage you to do this. If you can, collect the same type of tea over a couple of seasons or throughout the year to notice the seasonal changes. It's part of the richness and educational experience of really getting to know a deeper level of what goes into growing and curing tea, what goes into the industry here, what the professionals are about. You can check out this tea at ecochateas.com. Just go to the Teas tab at the top, click down menu to green tea, and there'll be Luo Chun right there for you to read all about it. Please let us know what you think also. If you have this tea and are tasting it, please put your comments on our product pages and in the comment section of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our adventure in the world of Taiwan tea. Thanks.